part 2, I'm going to reference a properly working thread that doesn't need chasing. This is a brand new bike. By the way, I'm going to leave a link in this video regarding spring tension, because here's the situation. We've been receiving spinning trio pedals with the spring tension too tight. The spring tension was miscalibrated at the factory, subsequently delivered to us miscalibrated. So we got a brand new bike here, a little over 2 months in use, and this $150 pedals are broken. So I have a link that I will include. And in that video link, it'll describe the issues, but also it'll have a description on how to properly tension the spring in this pedal. So here you go. Here's I have to remove this pedal because it's broken. By the way, what happens here is this pin that holds the look pedal. It's I think it's probably just made out of low quality material, and therefore it just snapped off. They normally don't do that. Anyway, so back to the crank removal tool. You see here, I was able to thread this crank removal tool in by hand, and that's the way it should be. All right? If you look on YouTube, a crank removal, 3-piece cranks, you'll see many crank removal tools. It's very simple. Unfortunately, on this bike had threads. They weren't too bad on this side, but on this side, absolutely terrible.